Hey y'all, so I went to Bath& and Body Works because I had a free $16.95 item coupon that I needed to use. And while I was there, I did pick up a couple other things. But now with the coupon, you can pick anything in the store you want. I ended up picking this Aroma Mindful Pause lotion. Comes in a glass bottle and also has like a nice little shimmer to it. So I also came across a 75% off table that had items from the semi-annual sale still on it, and I picked up that body spray to go with this lotion that I also got with a free coupon, I think last month. And on the 75% off table, they had a couple Christmas candles, so I grabbed this the perfect Christmas candle, and I'm gonna save it for the holidays. It was regular 26 bucks, and for $6, I couldn't leave it. I'm really excited about this fabric care detergent line that they will be coming out with in August. If you're a rewards member, you were able to get this free sample, so I chose this one. So I'm going to use it on my bedding to see how good it smells.